In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive and pay for inventory in QuickBooks Intuit. Let's dive right in. First, you will want to head to the QuickBooks site and click on the Sign In button. It's generally located at the top right corner, and this is your gateway into accessing your QuickBooks account. Once you've clicked Sign In, proceed to choose QuickBooks Online. This selection is crucial as it directs you to the specific platform interface we'll be working with today. It will bring up the login screen where you'll need to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type those in and then click Continue. Having successfully logged in, let's navigate to the Sales section. This will start laying the groundwork for managing your inventory. To find sales, look for it in the sidebar on your QuickBooks homepage. It might show up as a separate tab or option depending on your layout settings. Once you're in the sales area, the next thing you'll need to do is click on Products and Services. This tab is a key hub where you manage and view all the details about the different items your business deals with, whether they're goods you sell or components you purchase. Following this step, you'll want to click on the New button. This option helps you input fresh data about any new inventory items you're adding. Clicking New should give you a range of options, and for today's tutorial, we're focusing on inventory. So go ahead and choose inventory from the list. This indicates that you're dealing with physical goods that will be tracked through your system's inventory. Now it's time to add all necessary details for your inventory item. Start with the basics. Input the item's name and its price. You'll want to be thorough here. Include units, costs, quantities, and any other specifics that are relevant to keeping your records accurate and useful. These details matter because they impact how QuickBooks tracks inventory levels and financial metrics. Once you've meticulously entered all the pertinent information, it's time to save your work. Simply click on Save and Close. This ensures that the new inventory item is securely stored in your records and updates your entire system to include this new data. And that wraps up our session on receiving and paying for inventory using QuickBooks Intuit. Today we covered logging in, navigating to sales, and how to successfully add a new inventory item. Remember that consistency in naming conventions and careful data entry can significantly enhance the efficiency of your bookkeeping and inventory management processes. Thank you for watching, and be sure to keep practicing to become even more adept at using QuickBooks.